Want to be your own boss and rake in cash without ever touching a physical product? Look no further than print on demand, or POD, as the cool kids call it. This business model is absolutely exploding right now, and for good reason. No inventory to collect dust in your garage, no late-night packing and shipping marathons, just pure, sweet profit. Whether you're a starving artist, a meme-making machine, or just someone who wants to escape the 9-to-5 grind, POD might be your golden ticket. But before you go printing cat memes on coffee mugs, let's break down exactly how to crush it in the world of print on demand. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to build a wildly successful pod business from the ground up. We'll cover choosing the perfect niche, finding the best platforms to sell on, creating designs that sell like hotcakes, and scaling your business to 6 figures and beyond. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Alright, so you're interested in this whole print-on-demand thing, but you're not sure how it actually works? Let me break it down for you. Imagine this. You create a killer design for a t-shirt, upload it to a website, and boom, people start buying it. But here's the best part, you don't even have to touch a t-shirt. That's where the print-on-demand magic happens. These platforms have warehouses full of blank t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, phone cases, you name it. When someone places an order, the platform prints your design onto the product, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. You focus on the fun stuff, like coming up with awesome designs and marketing your store. Pretty cool, right? Now before you go uploading that hilarious picture of your dog wearing a hat, let's talk about niches. Picking the right niche is like finding the perfect avocado. It takes a little time and effort, but trust me, it's worth it. You want to find a niche that's not only profitable but also something you're genuinely interested in. Why? Because if you're passionate about your niche, it's going to show in your designs, your marketing, and your overall brand. Plus, it's way more fun to create designs for something you actually care about, am I right? So what makes a good niche? Think about it. What are people passionate about? What do they love to spend their money on? A few ideas to get your creative juices flowing: pet lovers, fitness fanatics, gamers, tech enthusiasts, people who love a good meme. You get the idea. The key is to find a niche that's specific enough to attract a dedicated audience, but broad enough to offer you plenty of design possibilities. Don't be afraid to get a little niche-y with it. The more specific, the less competition you'll have. Alright, so you've got your niche, you've got your designs, now it's time to choose where you're going to sell these masterpieces. Lucky for you, the print-on-demand world is overflowing with amazing platforms, each with its own flavor. Let's start with the heavy hitters: Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon Merch. Shopify is like the self-hosted penthouse suite of e-commerce. You get complete control over your store's design, branding, and marketing, but it also requires a bit more work on your end. Etsy, on the other hand, is like renting a cozy apartment in a bustling arts and crafts district. And then there's Amazon Merch, the behemoth of online retail. Ultimately, the best platform for you will depend on your individual goals and preferences. Now let's talk designs. Don't worry, you don't need to be the next Picasso to create designs that sell. Remember, simplicity is key. Think bold, eye-catching designs that translate well onto a variety of products. And don't be afraid to tap into current trends and pop culture references. People love rocking merch that's relevant and relatable. Canva is a godsend for beginners. If you want something a little more professional, you can always hire a freelance designer from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. And if you really want to blow people's minds, you can even experiment with AI-powered design tools like Kittle or Midjourney. Okay, you've got your store set up, your designs are fire, now it's time to unleash your inner marketing genius and get those sales rolling in. First things first, social media is your new best friend. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are absolute goldmines for reaching your target audience. Create engaging content that showcases your products in action. Think funny skits, stylish lookbooks, behind-the-scenes peeks at your design process, anything that will grab attention and make people want to click that Buy Now button. Don't underestimate the power of Pinterest and SEO, and of course, paid advertising is always an option. Partnering with influencers in your niche can be a super effective way to get your products in front of a larger audience. So you've launched your store, you're making sales, and you're ready to take things to the next level. Congratulations, my friend, you're officially a business owner. But the journey doesn't stop there. Now it's time to scale up, optimize, and watch those profits soar higher than a SpaceX rocket. First things first. Automation. As your business grows, you'll want to streamline your operations as much as possible. Printful's auto-fulfill feature, for example, automatically fulfills orders as they come in, so you don't have to lift a finger. Next, consider expanding to multiple platforms. Selling on multiple platforms allows you to reach a wider audience and diversify your income streams. So there you have it, everything you need to know to launch a wildly successful print-on-demand business in 2025. Remember, the beauty of Pod lies in its simplicity and low barrier to entry. You don't need a ton of money or experience to get started, just a dash of creativity, a sprinkle of marketing savvy, and a whole lot of hustle. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future money-making tips. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below if you're planning to start your own pod business. I'd love to hear your ideas. Remember, the world is your oyster, and print on demand is your pearl. Go out there and make it happen.